Welcome guys, today I am with this Philips headphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to focus on this plastic part and you have to take a look on this small indicator. Let me just catch focus on this one. As you can see, right now it's completely turned off, right? It's not blinking, it's not highlight. So what we have to do, we have to grab this button, the middle button, and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator start blinking on the white and the blue. So take a look, click and hold this one and keep holding until it start blinking like I said, on the white and the blue. As you can see right now it turns to the white and right now to the blue, so we can release the button. And what we have to do, simply we have to go for Bluetooth settings. We have to click to pair new device. And now just be patient and wait until they pops on the list. You have to select them from the list and then click to pair. After a few seconds we will be successfully connected. Okay, and there it is. As you can see, we are connected with our Android smartphone. And right now this indicator, when you take a look on it, it will only blinks on the blue. So as you can see right now it blinks. And when you use these buttons right here, it's not blinking. So it only blinks automatically for like 7 or 8 seconds. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.